Isn't it a nice day outside, Luigi? Uh-huh. Very clear skies. Who couldn't ask for more? Hey, guys. What do you want? I just heard Blue Yoshi's opening a lab. You want to see it? Okay, let's go. I can't wait to have a break from all this laying down thing. Yeah, very fun. Business has been slow. What? Could somebody shut that thing up? Oh, look! There goes one now! What? Oh, you mean customer? And I don't think there's exactly one of them. I still don't get why I have to carry you. Just shut up and take us to where we're going. I can't breathe. Hi there. How you doing? I haven't been better. Hey, I heard you were opening a new lab today, huh? Yes I am. Why? Well, sounds like all of these creatures over there. They look cute. What are they anyway? It's a bird, a bee, and a penguin. But our policies say, no stealing the animals. Okay. Yeah. Well, it's okay for you to steal them. What? I think it's okay for you three to steal them. Why? Because I said so. Okay, let's get back to Peach. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah. We're going to be stuck with this stupid. But that violates our rules. Oh. You'll see what I have planned. You'll see. There you go, baby. What should we do right now? Let's turn on the news. Yeah, let's see what the latest news is. I can't wait.
Hello there. Welcome. I hope you're all having a wonderful Friday. Except 3 certain people. Yep, that's right. Here recently, 3 presumed dumbasses have broken into a lab, stealing a bird, a bee, and a penguin in the process.
Oh boy, I wonder that could have been. What? What are you talking about?
I haven't got much information on them yet. I think one of them's named, like, Linguini? Linguini or something, or May, I don't freaking know. Anyway, these are the presumed sketches of the people according to who they saw the security camera. Yeah, let's go to that. Yeah, we're pretty cheap. Apparently this is the best we could do, unfortunately. Oh, one more thing. If any of you criminals are watching this, we're coming for you. Run, bitches. We're after you. Anyway, after this, we'll come back with the story of 3 12-year-old kids smoking crack in the alley.
The hell was that? Wanna go to sleep? It's pretty early, but yeah. Okay, good night. Good night. Good afternoon, even though it's like 4:26 right now. It took us about 4 hours somehow. It's a very nice day outside. Clouds. Hey, you. Yes?
We found out that 3 lunatics have been holding a bird, a penguin, and a bee. Yeah, it's bee. So we were wondering who those 3 guys were. Should we go searching? Yep.
Put them back. We're screwed.
What?
Hold on. What?
Give me that.
You'll create a distraction.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we got a story of 3 lunatics having killed Captain a bird, a bee, and a penguin here. Which one of y'all did it?
We're supposed to be asking where they are.
Oh yeah. Where are they?
I'm a robot.
Help! Help! Shut up! Oh, hey! Hello there! Oh, yeah! Bang your arms from side to side. Come on, it's time to go to the body. Oh, shut up, please. Ouch! Hey, remember your bird and penguin bee story? Yeah? Why are here? I think we got their twins. All right, let's get the real victims.
We'll be on our way. Goodbye.
Hooray, we didn't get caught.
Wait a minute.
Did we all get blackmailed?
Well, if you put it that way, yes, but...
Wait a minute. Didn't that Blue Yoshi thing tell us to get them? Yeah? What if he called the police on us?
Wait, what?
He called the police on us? Ah! Yeah, he must be not right in the head. Come on, let's go get some ice cream. Yay! I love ice cream! So, did you catch him? No, sir. We didn't. We let him get away and thought they were twins, so... Yeah, that's all for now.